What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721 checking back in. Here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan that is slated for release August 13th. But before we get into that shoe, wanted to take a quick look at some more upcoming releases. Here we have the Air Jordan Retro 5 Dark Concord. This one is also an August release. It is shipping out early on FineLine1721.com. So if you're interested in this pair, you can head over to the website, pick it up. Also, I have a full review live on the channel if you want to check out the review. Up next, we have a Nike Dunk Low Jackie Robinson. I believe it has a late July, early August release, but nonetheless, they are shipping out now on FineLine1721.com. Also, if you want to check out a full review on this Dunk Low, I have it live on the channel. Now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the main attraction. Getting right into the box, as you can see, we have that classic OG retro box, Air Jordan 7 Retro, black, citrus, varsity red. Garbage bag paper, peel that back. Now let's get into the shoe. Now that we have these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the 2022 Air Jordan Retro 7 Citrus. Getting right into it, it does come with the white insert, as you can see here. It also comes with the paper instead of the cardboard shoe tree. Now getting right into the top-down view of the shoe, as you can see, we have all black neoprene tongue with the red Air Jordan branding on the top. Taking a look at the materials, very soft suede. Definitely has some nice little color shift going on with these. Right now, from my angle, it's almost kind of like light. Then right now, it's getting dark. So the materials that they decided to go with, very nice for these joints right here. Going around to that lateral side, the whole upper is of course suede, and it also has a nice texture throughout. Also, as you can see, we have the citrus orange thread going throughout the whole uppers, all black midsole with the citrus orange sitting on top of the red little mountain peaks here. All black outsoles, red and orange accent colors, all red Jumpman, and a little hit of gray right here. Taking a look at the back of the shoe, got the orange Jumpman facing the same orientation of the shoe. Glad that they gave us a nice OG style touch right there. Going to the heels of the shoe, red pull tab sitting on top of the black and orange 7 with the 2-3 sitting on the top. Going around to the medial side, same exact weight as the lateral, nothing different there. Same texture to the suede. Everything on this shoe is really consistent. So that about wraps it up for the quick look at the 2022 Air Jordan 7 Retro Citrus. If you are a fan of these joints and you want to pick them up early, you can do so. Head over to the website, FineLine1721.com. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Twitter. Both handles are the same, FineLine1721. And until the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.